How y'all doing? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true phoenix. Got a lot of fan power going on around here. Let me turn this off. Really not fan, it's heater. I want to show you the what I've done so far with the muffler system or the exhaust system. And I'm under here, and as I was doing it, I thought I'd do a video, let you guys know that I did use these. And I've got the muffler in already. And we'll see what happens. Just letting you guys know that I hooked it up. Can't see the muffler system back through there. You may notice that the tailpipe is on the outside of the lift bracket. It's not tied down with that wire, it's just there. And then over here, the tailpipe is inside of the bracket. Don't ask me, I don't know. That's the way it happened. To keep it from bumping up against stuff. But otherwise, it's in there. It's up in there. Maybe one day, whoever gets this car might have a professional put muffler system in. I hope this lasts, at least until I get her sold. Of course, I want to keep her, but I can't keep her. I have to get rid of her. And let's see. So I was getting ready to do this side here. And you can't see. Let me turn the light on. The light is on, but it's not on well enough for you to see. Let's see. Oh yeah, well, that's the one that I just did. What I did was I put some right here. I'll show you what I did here. I took some JB Weld, stuffed in that hole there all the way around. Put JB Weld all up and down there. Really stuffed it in that hole there. Just as well as I could do it. Then I took some of this. Got to be good tape now. This is 3M. I'm not link in the description below. But I just had some of this around from sometime or another. I don't know when. This is a foil tape. And then after I put the goop in there, and I spread it out some, then I put the tape around it, then after I put the tape around it, then I put these things around it, and then I tightened it up. Of course, you know who this is. Link in the description below. I wouldn't say that these are the best. I say these are affordable. Not the best, but I'm using them because they were affordable. Now, I did the same up here. I didn't put a clamp on that. I just put tape around it and some JB Weld around it. Naturally, I welded it. That there is welded in there. You didn't see my weld. The other videos show you what I did to weld that. Now, I want to put a catalytic converter here. I've got a catalytic converter already, but I didn't want to go through the trouble of putting it in at the moment, because I don't really know if I'm going to be able to get this car inspected here in Las Vegas with the catalytic converter. If not, then what I'll do is I'll just cut this out, and put the catalytic converter in there. And then, because I already have the, if you could look up, see if you can see up there or not. I already have the plug-in for the O2 unit, sending unit up there, and then the catalytic converter has one in it. You may have seen it in one of my other videos. Like on this side, I have the catalytic converter is in. That's only because it fit. And I got one of these universal clamps here, but it was already something here on the catalytic converter. All I had to do was just clamp it down. And if you see my other videos, up under this stuff here is tape and JB weld, and I welded it. So you should be able to see it in my other videos that I welded this. I became a lot better in welding as I went on. Became a lot better welding. But anyway, you see the transmission is out. So I'm going to go ahead on and finish this one here on this side, and I want to thank you for coming by. Once again, these videos are for anyone that gets this car. Also, it's for my kids later on in life when they decide they want to see something from their dear old dad or something, and they can come back and take a look at these videos. I wish, not wish, but probably at some point in time I might even take that stuff off, or someone's going to take it off and weld that on. Once they say, oh, this looks good, go ahead and weld it, get it, make it airtight to keep the exhaust from coming out around the edge there. I don't think it's going to come around the edge anyway, because I got this thing so tight, man. I mean, when I say tight, I mean I got the JB weld in there, I got the tape in there, and I got this clamp in there. So I have a feeling that it's going to be all right. I let that cure. See, I just put that on there, and I'll let that cure for a couple of days. I was hoping that it started up tomorrow, when I was Sunday. Today is the 8th, I think. February 8th, 2025. I want to put this, they have some type of muscle something at the strip, muscle cars at the strip, going on March the 6th, I believe. Hope to have my old car out there. Maybe somebody will buy it. I don't know if it's going to be rolling or not. I don't even know if I'm going to take it or not. But wishful thinking causes things to happen sometimes. Okay, guys, y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. This ain't connected to nothing. This is just there temporarily. Right now, it's holding up all by itself. I just gotta do this side. Y'all take it easy. I'll talk to y'all later. Show my face. Got to get your protection on. Y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later.